Uh. Uh.
Hi guys, just Safi here. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button. Because if you're going to watch this and you're not subscribed, judging you. And stay tuned for today's video. I haven't recorded in a while. I hadn't been feeling well. If you follow me on Instagram, follow me. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is down below. Yes, I haven't recorded in a couple days, but I wanted to come back on and do a video giving you my holiday hair wish list. These are products that I am excited to try. Hopefully for the holidays I'll be picking up some of these products so that I can test and try them out. Some brands I haven't tried before. And yeah, so let's get started with today's video. First, all my MVPs, let me know in the comment section, what are some of your holiday hair wish items? What are some items you're looking to try, wanting to try, excited to try? Let me know down below. Alright, I have a list here, and I also have some things on my laptop. So let's get started. The first is the new Curlsmith line. They have a curl line. I have been eyeing Curlsmith for a while, and then my fave, Bianca Renee, follow her, she did a review of the line, and I'm just kind of curious about this line. It's a bit pricey, so this may be something that I purchase way later, but I am interested in trying their curl line and to see what Curlsmith is really all about. The next item is something, I may even purchase this before anybody gets a chance to get this to me for the holidays, but this is the Wild Hair Growth Oil. And I'm excited to try this because I'm really working on edge growth, and I've heard some great things about it and how it really helps to stimulate those follicles. So yeah, I am definitely interested in trying that line. As you see, all of the products that I am mentioning, I'm putting pictures of those products next to me so that you know exactly what these products look like and exactly what I'm talking about. Okay, the next on my list is the Main Choice Braid Out Glaze. Thanks to Kimberly Sherrill here on YouTube. I am interested in trying this because she has used this with a wash and go, doing her wash and goes. So I'm kind of curious to see if it's going to work for my own hair and for my wash and goes as well. She got great definition, great hold. It really worked well for her. And so I want to see if it's something that would work for me as well. I'm excited to try it. To be very honest with you, there's only one product I've ever tried from the Main Choice line, and as you know, that's that biotin infused gel. I use that, and you know my thoughts on that gel. If I remember, I will link the video below. But yeah, I'm interested in trying the braid out glaze because I heard great things about it, and yeah, I want to see if it really works for my wash and go. Now, the next is a line. I want to try Ada's Botanica Beauty line. Now, specifically the definer and the enhancer. The enhancer is a mousse, but she uses it in her wash and goes, and she has amazing results. And the definer as well. So I'm really interested in trying both of those items from the line and really seeing if they work for my hair. She is somebody I've been following for years. Her and I have come up together in this content creator world, and she's a fellow vecina, and I really respect her. And when she came out with her own line, I was so surprised and so happy. So kudos to you, Ada. And yeah, I really want to try this line. I've seen such great results, but a lot of the products that I want to try are sold out. Every time I go to her website, these products are sold out. So I'm really going to have to wait, and I'm just going to have to keep checking, keep checking, keep checking. And once they come back on the website and there's more of the products on the website, I will be snatching them up as soon as possible. Okay, let's see. Oh, also, I want to try the Dippity Doo gel. I've been wanting to try this for a long time. I keep seeing it in like my Walgreens and my Rite Aid, and I just keep passing it by and keep passing it by. But I really want to try this gel. Bianca Renee talks about it a lot, and she has used it, and I've seen the results she's gotten from it. And yeah, we have different curl patterns, different curl types, but I really want to try this product, and I really am a sucker for a gel. I'm really a sucker for a really good gel. So if I can find different kinds of gels other than my Eco Styler, because you know I ride for my Eco Styler, then I'm all here for it. So yeah, that is another product that I am super, super excited to try. Now, one other product that I am super excited to try is the new formula of the Wetline Extreme Gel. Yes, I am interested in trying that new formula of the Wetline Extreme Gel. I heard that they've gotten rid of the harsh ingredient out of it, one of the harsh ingredients out of it. And yeah, I saw that on Happy Curls YouTube channel, and yeah, shout out to her. I want to try it because you know how I feel about Wetline Extreme. I love that gel, I really do, and I want to see if the new formula is the same, worse, better. So yeah, I'm going to be picking that up, and those are all products that I am excited to try, and hopefully are all going to be products that I get this holiday season. So if you have some favorites, like I said before, let me know down below. Let me know down below. Yes, the curls are back. I know the last videos you've seen me with my hair braided, the curls are back. I took my braids out. It was because I wasn't feeling well, so I decided to protective style because I didn't want to have to deal with it. But now that I'm feeling a lot better, I decided to take my braids out, wash my hair, do that whole thing, treatment and everything, and now my curls are back. So if you have any questions, comments, let me know. Become a fellow MVP. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.